Next case is when the new partner is share of new partner is given and the new profit sharing ratio is given. So we will find out the remaining share in the manner 1/4 is the C's share and the remaining share is 3/4, and we will distribute it 2/3 as we distributed like in the old ratio. So multiply and you will get your new ratio. And when the new and incoming acquires his share from old, the existing partners equally, they will acquire the share equally. So you can see 1/10 is the share of C, and this share is acquired in equal proportion from both. So C share will acquired by both from equally. So we'll do 1/10 because this is equally, so 1/2 multiply by 1/10. So 120 from this 120 will be deducted from their old share minus surrender share. So this is the surrender share of A, this is the surrender share of B. From the old ratio we'll deduct the surrender shares and you will get your new profit sharing ratio. And next case is when the new partner or incoming partner acquire his share from old or existing partners in a particular ratio. Then we follow that particular ratio. So new partners from the old partners in the ratio 3/2. Here ratio is given, and in the previous illustration it is mentioned equally. So we'll do in the same manner. 25% means 1/4. So ratio of surrender is acquiring is 3:2 multiply by the share. So this is the surrendered share. So same manner 2/3 1/2 surrender share will be minus and you will get your new ratio. Next, so there are so many situations, so you have to be very careful while calculating the new ratio. So in this manner you have to calculate so many examples. Let's discuss one more. When one of the existing partner retains his original share of profit on admission of a new partner. So here what is the situation? XYZ ratio is given. W is admitted as a new partner, 1/6 share. Z will retain his share. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So Z and W share is decided for both of them in the future situations. So Z is containing 1/5 and he will retain his share. So no sacrifice will be done by Z. So 1/5 plus 1/6 W share. So total share is 1130. So now we can calculate the remaining share. Remaining share will give 1 minus 11/30, 19/30, and the rest calculation is same as we did in the last illustration. Students, try to calculate, try to understand the different situation which is given in the illustrations. Thank you.